In the face of tragedy, Maui stands united. The recent fires have left families homeless and communities in urgent need of support. But thanks to organizations like Maui Relief, the Hawaii Community Foundation, HCF, and the Red Cross, help is reaching those who need it most. From emergency shelter to essential supplies, these organizations are providing crucial assistance to families affected by the fires. You can make a difference too. Donate today to support the relief efforts and help Maui rebuild. Together we can bring hope to Maui. Every donation, big or small, helps rebuild lives. Thank you for your generosity. Beyond the tragedy, the spirit of Maui is unbroken. Its beauty remains, waiting to be rediscovered by locals and visitors alike. As the island rebuilds, it's not just about bringing back the homes and communities, but also about reviving the vibrant tourism that fuels our economy. I'm honored to rally our community on the Thailand VIP Travels YouTube channel to support the Maui Fire's relief efforts. Join me in making a difference by donating directly through our fundraiser, where YouTube ensures that every contribution goes directly to the Hawaii Community Foundation, HCF. Together, let's extend our compassion and solidarity to those affected by this tragedy. Thank you for your generosity and support. Mahalo nui. There are numerous ways you can engage in the revival of our beloved island. With every video you watch, you're not just witnessing the resilience of Maui, but also becoming a part of its recovery. You can use the comment section to share your own stories and experiences of Maui, creating a community of love and support for our island. You can also use the share button to spread the word about our mission, helping us reach a larger audience and gather more support. And don't forget, every like on a video is a vote of confidence in the resilience of Maui. But the most important action you can take is to visit Maui. Experience its breathtaking beauty firsthand and contribute to the local economy by supporting our businesses and services. So click, subscribe, comment, like, share, and visit. Every action counts. You are not just a viewer, but an active participant in the revival of Maui. Thank you for standing with us. Mahalo nui.